Hello. Today I am going to unbox Acer Aspire 5 laptop which I got from Shop the World website. And the Shop the World website is awesome place to shop whatever we want. The customer who communicates with us talk very nicely, and whatever the problem and the doubts about the product will be cleared by the customer care whom I called. The name of the customer care representative is Mr. Sudarshan.
And I will show some specifications about it. This is Aspire 5, Acer Aspire 5. It has ultra thin design, elevated design, narrow bezel, aluminum top cover, ultra fast wireless speed, and it has HDMI 2 port also. And it is about Intel Core i5 11 generation. It has inbuilt Intel Iris graphics card, and you can see the ports here: HDMI port and two USB cable port, one C type charger, and you can see the charger port here. And here you can see audio jack, and uh, we'll put the password now. Yeah, see, the screen is quite visible and it's good in hand feel. The uh, the backlit keyboard is nice. It is very glossy, having a look, and I'm satisfied with this product. And thank you Shop the World for giving a great product to me. I'm happy, and thank you to the Shop the World.